Well, across the valley today, rain chances coming back mostly over Cameron and Wilson counties. It's looking like the better chance of rain will be in the lower half of the valley, but clouds are thickening. Some showers are breaking out right now, and there could still be some rain around for Halloween this evening in parts of the valley, but less rain tomorrow. There might be a couple of showers left over, but rain chances are drying up tomorrow and then back to the old hot and humid weather with temperatures maybe passing the 90-degree mark by either Thursday or Friday and all the way through the weekend coming up. So you can see the First One 5 Doppler network right now, and most of the valley's dry. Clouds are spreading in, but rain mostly offshore. And some of the newer computer model runs say a lot of the heavy rain may stay a little farther east and out of the valley today, but we'll have to wait and see. Some of the model runs earlier did have some pockets of heavier rain in spots, but they kind of backed off of that. But there's still some rain out there right now. If we zoom in, see some of the heavier showers just crossing the river on the south side of Brownsville, moving to the north. This is moving along pretty quickly, so you won't get a lot of rain, but it may come down kind of heavily for about 10 or 15 minutes or so. Again, kind of on the southeast side of Brownsville right now. If we zoom in a bit more, you see the rainfall rates kind of in that red area, about 3/4 of an inch per hour. So if it moved over you and sat there for an hour, you would get about 3/4 of an inch of rain. But it's moving fast enough that rainfall with this particular shower will probably be less than a third or 1/4 of an inch in most spots. But it is moving north right into the city of Brownsville, even some rain around some of the international bridges and approaching the downtown area. So this little shower moving through farthest to the north, a couple small showers near Port Mansfield, but nothing too heavy in Wilsey County right now. But I think as we go through the afternoon, probably the high point in the rain chances is about early afternoon through about 8 p.m. or so, where the most numerous showers will be around. But again, like I said, the computer model's kind of backed off on the rain a bit. If you look at future track this afternoon through tonight, all the way into the midnight and past there till 3 a.m., it's showing a lot less rain now. Some of the earlier model runs had some places getting like a ½ an inch to an inch or more. Now a lot of places are forecast to only be no more than about 1/4 to ½ an inch in some of the heavier spots. So it may not be quite that light, but I think the threat for heavier rain is mostly offshore, but a few brief rounds of some briefly heavier showers for maybe 10, 15, 20 minutes can still occur in spots anytime through this afternoon or early this evening. Temperatures right now in the upper 70s where it's cloudier and raining, in the lower 80s farther west where it's 83 in McAllen, 82 in Weslaco where the clouds are a little bit thinner. Future track again shows showers scattered around off and on through this afternoon, and still maybe some left over for trick-or-treat times this evening. So I think it's not going to rain everywhere and non-stop for trick-or-treat, but if you're outdoors walking around, you might get a little rain while you're walking this evening with the kids. And then tonight, still a few showers around, but most of the rain probably drying up late tonight. Tomorrow we may wake up to some clouds, and there's kind of a weak dying cold front that's trying to roll in tonight. So if it's able to kind of switch around the winds to the northwest for a while, we may stay kind of cloudier in the morning and then slowly break out of it in the afternoon. But still a very small chance for a shower tomorrow, especially I think in the morning hours. And then by Thursday, we're back into some sunshine and hotter weather. So again, if you're trick-or-treating this evening, not nonstop rain, but showers somewhere in the valley are possible, with temperatures falling through the 70s between 6 o'clock and 8 p.m. right around prime trick-or-treating times. And the First One 5 70 forecast, warm today, well, close to 80 or so. Tomorrow might be a little cooler. Like I said, if the winds switch around a bit in the morning, you may cool off in the morning and have a hard time warming up in some areas, but at least in the upper 70s, maybe the low 80s. And then the heat comes back, highs around 90 for the weekend. And don't forget to set your clocks back an hour. We'll talk more about this in your First One 5 70 forecast. Gabby?